Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market today. In this video, we're going to talk about the Dicor 501LSD-1 self-leveling lap sealant, widely regarded as the best RV roof sealant on the market. If you're an RV owner or someone who maintains a trailer, then you know how crucial it is to keep your roof in top condition. Whether it's for sealing vents, roof edges, or other openings, this product is a game changer. First off, let's talk about the consistency. The Dicor self-leveling lap sealant is a thick, paste-like material that's designed to spread evenly over horizontal surfaces. This makes application a breeze, as the self-leveling nature of this sealant ensures a smooth, professional finish with minimal effort. You don't need to be a pro to get great results with this product, and it sets quickly, which is a real-time saver. Another standout feature is its impressive compatibility. Whether you're working with EPDM, TPO, or PVC roofing materials, this sealant adheres securely to a wide variety of surfaces, including aluminum, mortar, wood, vinyl, galvanized metal, fiberglass, and concrete. No need to worry about it sticking properly. This sealant has you covered. In terms of performance, Dicor's lap sealant provides excellent flexibility, which is essential for withstanding temperature changes and movement of your RV. It remains flexible even after curing, so it won't crack or peel off, even in extreme weather conditions. This durability means it provides long-lasting protection from leaks, keeping your RV dry and your roof in great shape. The Dicor 501LSD-1 sealant is also designed to withstand UV rays, so you won't have to worry about it degrading or discoloring over time. It's sun-ray stabilized, ensuring that the sealant won't spoil or lose its effectiveness even with prolonged exposure to the sun. Plus, it's a clean, dove white color that blends seamlessly with your RV's roof, keeping it looking great. What's more, Dicor designed this sealant specifically for roofing applications, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to maintain or repair their RV. Whether you're sealing vents, skylights, or just adding extra protection to your roof, this product is the go-to solution for DIY RV maintenance. Overall, the Dicor 501LSD-1 self-leveling lap sealant is an outstanding choice for RV owners. It combines ease of use, flexibility, and durability, all while maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your RV's roof. It's truly the best self-leveling RV roof sealant on the market, and I highly recommend it if you want a long-lasting, reliable solution for keeping your roof sealed and protected. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss out on more detailed reviews of the best products out there.